What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Devan Nathwani, portfolio strategist at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week we unpack why megaforces, or big structural changes, are key for near-term returns, not just the long-term. Last week, the US and China reached a trade truce, and mega-cap tech companies upped planned AI build-out spending. These big developments highlight why megaforces matter now. The AI megaforce remains a key equity driver, yet we track how it is broadening out across a wider array of markets and commodities. Months of the US tariff threats and countermeasures ultimately resulted in limited disruption between two of the world's biggest trading partners. China has suspended export controls on rare earths, a vital input across several technologies including AI infrastructure, for a year, in return for the US reducing tariffs and easing measures on ports and shipbuilding. It's a model of how an immutable economic law, supply chains can't be rewired overnight, can constrain policy outcomes. Yet strategic competition between the US and China is still deepening, reflecting ongoing geopolitical fragmentation, another key megaforce. Beijing's new 5-year economic plan, focused on self-reliance, aims to help China develop its economy and achieve independence from the rest of the world. It faces several challenges, including a weak housing market, low consumer confidence, and a fast-aging workforce. That keeps us neutral on Chinese stocks overall. The AI theme remains a key driver of stocks. Several of the Magnificent Seven megacap companies announced higher spending in their earnings calls last week as they pour money into chips and data centers. But we've seen the AI theme broaden to a wider array of markets and commodities this year. South Korea and Taiwan's equity indices have surged, as have commodities like copper needed for the AI build-out. Private markets like infrastructure, which are complex and not suitable for all investors, are also increasingly important for this build-out. Here's our market take. Megaforces, particularly geopolitical fragmentation and AI, are a key investment lens for the short term, not just the long term. We stay overweight US stocks on the AI theme and Fed rate cuts, but watch as it broadens out to other asset classes and regions. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com/thebid.